Hey guys, welcome to SirMaloPerformance. Today we are working on Project Resurrect as promised. We're gonna go ahead and lay down the black paint job. And I got my kid here, Alonzo. He's the one taping up everything, but I just wanted to make sure I'd show you guys. This is what it was, primered. It's a Rust-Oleum primer, rusty primer. I'm actually, leading maybe a future vehicle, a future truck that we're doing just a primer paint job. Right now, Project Resurrect is getting some major attention, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, good morning. We have Project Resurrect ready to go. I rinsed it down, make sure it was nice and washed, and getting ready for paint. So all I'm gonna do is just pat it down, let it dry, and just go from there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You guys should see the time lapse here soon. I hit up all my edges on the inside of the door sills. I mean, nothing's taped up inside, but I did the best I could. Painted up all the insides, up and through and around. Went ahead and I hit it with the paint. The bottom, everything, all the way down, up inside, all the way up through the top. Again, the vehicle was gray, so it covered up pretty dang easy, pretty dang fast. So yeah, for the most part, I still got to do my second coat, because this is, a lot of it got soaked up on that first coat. So I'm gonna start hitting it with the second coat, like over here. I did a light second coat. I also did my door sills, did the bottom using Japan dryer, just a capful at a time with my 16 ounces or 18 ounces of paint. All right, guys, so we got Project Resurrect here, finished, painted. I'm starting to clean off the windows here. I'll have Alonzo take care of the front, but for the most part, I got it all done. It looks all right. Not the best paint job in the world, but I did save myself a couple of bucks. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I took care of the grill too. There's that. All right, guys, I'll make sure to give you another little shot here once I'm done. But for the most part, that's pretty much it. We have Project Resurrect here in front of us, semi-complete. There's still a little bit more work to do, but for the most part, this is very close to the finishing product. I went on ahead and did the flip kit, did the spoiler. I did the tail lights as well. As you can see, wheels all cleaned up, added some tint, got it all nice and aligned. That's pretty much Project Resurrect, guys. It went from a frame swap, chassis swap, all the way to this. It went from a pretty terrible color to another terrible color. Flat black. It's the first time I try it. But let's check out the interior of Project Resurrect. As you can see, we got some RC seat covers. Very comfortable, very nice seat covers. I did them on the rear too, so everything is matching with the front to back. Did the stereo, did the high phonic speakers on the front, did the AC, and then obviously 5% tint all in the back. But that is the interior here for Project Resurrect. I went on ahead and added a dash mat too, just because I'm not a big fan of of that light gray. I like that dark gray interior, almost Silverado, so let me try to cover that up or blend it in a little bit better. But that's pretty much it, guys. I have the truck running right now, completely stock 5.3. Guys, that pretty much does it for today for Project Resurrect. We're gonna go ahead and move on to bigger and better things. Until then, guys, please like and subscribe. Take care. Peace.